Good morning, and guess what I'm doing this morning in my happy place? Doing what? Making cheesy jalapeno bread for my goddaughter. She asked me to make this, and her greedy butt mama said, "Make me one too." So I'm making not one, but two cheesy jalapeno breads for these two people who I love very much. So I'm going to tell you how I made it. We're going to see if we can take you step by step, because this cooking and filming at the same time, it gets me all mixed up. Child, I be mixing stuff up, forgetting to put stuff in, wondering how many cups I put. Oh, did I do 3 cups or 2? I had to start all over. Ain't nobody got time for that. So let's see how this bread comes out. I hope it tastes good fooling around with them trying to film it too. Nobody told me to do that. I did that on my own. But anyway, I'm going to blame it on them if it doesn't come out good. So there. So to make this recipe, you're going to start with 3 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of active yeast. doubled in size. All right. And oh, put some flour on my hand so it won't be too sticky. Yeah. So we're going to get that. Oh, forgot one thing. What I'm going to do now is put a little flour on the my hands don't get all messed up. And we're going to take this out of the bowl and put it on this. Now, I'm going to just knead it a little bit. Just a little. Now, while I am kneading, if I wasn't, you can make this bread without using the cheese and the jalapeno, but
what would life be without some extra cheese and a little jalapeno to kick it up a couple of notches?
Little cheese in each knead. Cheese, put some jalapeno in there, and some more. Putting it in the bread. Keep doing this. Jalapeno, put it in those different places. Cheese, right? You can add as much jalapeno and as how much cheese you would like to add, you know. And just a little bit more. All right, so look at it, it's coming out so much in there. And just a little bit more of that. All right, so now, well, look at this. There's a whole bunch of cheese in that spot. Take some parchment paper.
Since I messed up this part of the video, I am going to do the voiceover. You are going to put your bread in this Dutch oven pot. If you don't have one, you can put it in any pot as long as the lid is on. You're going to put that Dutch oven pot in the oven. Let it preheat with the oven until 450 degrees. You will take, once it reaches 450 degrees, you will take it out of the oven. You will put the bread, while it is on this parchment paper, you will put the parchment paper and the bread in the Dutch oven pot with lid on for half an hour. You will take it out of the oven, take the lid off, and put it back in the oven for 15 minutes uncovered. Please see recipe details in the description. Thanks for watching.